Nabiya tay sad experience with Sandong. That time, dili gyud prepared ang iligan. Makig-istorya ka sa mga tao wherein you don't speak the same language.
Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. Tell us more about this department. Nga medyo dako-dako maning responsibility.
Dako yung kaayo.
O sa pangalan lang daan.
Imagine, this is a very challenging office kay you serve tanan, medical, tanan respond din emergency dayon. At the same time, you also need to capacitate. I mean, you have to understand the nature of being prepared and being resilient kay nabiya tay sad experience with Sandong. That time, dili gyud prepared ang iligan. Right now, gina-establish na gyud nato ang office, ang DRRM office, into a very effective and punctual office. Efficient siya. Then, at the same time, preparing the community to be resilient. Dili kaya lang sa DRR ang pag-respond. So, kinahanglan natong participation sa local community. So, we have conducted training kasi ang challenge namo is makig-istorya ka sa mga tao wherein you don't speak the same language. You have to orient them nga, okay, ingon ani, kinsa man gyud ang unang responder pag abot og kalamidad. Local community biya. So, you have to capacitate. Information campaign,
sa mga local
capacity building, and right now, kay ang mga young leaders na pod, ang mga youth na pod ang gusto na mo i-capacitate.